Hey everyone, it's Kino here. I'm so happy to share with you my brand new book, Get Your Yoga On. This is the first time that I've made a concentrated effort to make the practice of yoga accessible for you. This is a 30-pose journey designed to give you the foundations of real, authentic yoga practice. Every pose presented here is complete with modifications for different body types and different levels of physical ability. Plus, with a diverse group of students modeling the yoga poses, you'll be sure to find someone you can identify with in your body type right here in this book. I'm so excited to share this practice with you. After 20 years of experience in the yoga world, I know how magical the journey of yoga is, and I know it can change your life because it's changed mine. It's not about what size or shape you are. It's not about fitting the mold or looking like what you think a yogi looks like. It's just about getting on your mat and doing the practice. This book is your gateway into the wonderful world of yoga, where you'll experience more peace, more happiness, more joy than you can ever possibly imagine. I hope you'll join me on the mat, and I hope you'll join me in reading this book so we can get our yoga on together. I want to read a short sample from this book so that I hope you get so inspired and you want to join the journey to get your yoga on the mat with me. Yoga is for everyone. You don't need to be a young, flexible dancer or sleek athlete to do yoga. You also don't need a watered-down version of the practice to make it more palatable. You just need to be yourself and commit to practicing the 30 poses outlined in this book for at least 5 minutes a day for the rest of your life. Which ones you choose to practice on any given day are up to you, as long as you do at least 5 minutes of practice. This book is your gateway into a movement of real people who have directly experienced the benefits of the yoga practice. You might not have the chance to give everything up and go to India and study with the masters like I did, but I believe that you can carve out at least 5 minutes a day to practice yoga. If you give the practice this small bit of time, you will lay the foundation for a whole new life. The 30 poses contained within this book are your yoga practice. When you decide to embark on the journey of yoga, this book will be your manual, like an inner GPS system that will help you find your way on the inner practice of yoga. I hope you'll join me on the mat and order your copy today so that we can get our yoga on together.